baby, show me. Reason why we lose.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Shopaholics AMPM. So today I'll be comparing the Mi Band 4, Samsung Galaxy Fit E and the Honor Band 4, and let's see which is the best budget fitness band in the market currently. So let's get straight to the video. By the way guys, if you are actually wondering, this is a custom watch face for the Mi Band 4. You can download thousands of these. I've made a video on it. I'll actually keep the link down below in the description so you can check out the video. Now let's talk about the build quality. I'm just gonna give you my rankings. All have really nice soft touch silicone rubber straps, but Samsung Galaxy Fit E has the best build quality. It is really light, and when you check out the strap, that's how you lock it in. It's very secure. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to put on, but the strap is really secure. That's a good thing. So this is the first one. Then comes the Honor Band 4. I really like these watch style straps. This is a personal preference, so I like these watch style straps. And the Fit E is actually 10 grams less heavy, lighter than the Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 4. Third rank, the Mi Band 4. I don't like these kinds of strap. I've ordered another one from AliExpress. I'll make a video about that too. Even the screen protector. So that's what it is about the build quality. Now the screen. The Samsung Galaxy Fit E has a 0.74 inch P AMOLED display, monochrome display actually. So the display is alright, nothing special. It's actually a alright display for the price you are paying, but it's the cheapest product by Samsung ever, cheapest variable from Samsung, so that's what it is. But the Mi Band 4 and the Honor Band 4 have a 0.95 inch color AMOLED display, which is great. The display is great, and the brightness, all that stuff is really cool. So that's what it is about the display. Now a physical overview. The Samsung Galaxy Fit E actually has two sensors in the heart rate, but the Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 4 actually have just one sensor. So we'll test the accuracy, and all of them are 5 ATM water resistant. Samsung Galaxy Fit E, Mi Band 4, Honor Band 4, all are 5 ATM water resistant. And when we take a look at the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Fit E absolutely sucks. 4 days, that's what it is, 4 days. So it's awful, battery is awful, just 4 days, and a monochrome display, so battery is bad, really bad. Honor Band 4 lasts for about 15 days I can say, and the Mi Band 4 lasted for me about 10 days. But do note, the battery the battery life actually varies upon your usage. I have turned on continuous heart rate monitoring. I wore it during sleep, and the brightness was on 3rd or 4th level always. So it depends on your usage. For some people it can even last for about 20 days, 15 to 20 days, but for me it lasted for about 10 days. And when we talk about the features, let me go with the Samsung Galaxy Fit E first. There's a problem with Fit E, I don't know what it is. Every day it shows me 1000 calories. So there's this glitch and there's no update available right now. And we talk about the features, all have sleep monitoring. the heart rate sensor. Let's check out the heart rate sensor and see how accurate these three bands actually are. So guys, now let's test out the heart rate accuracy of Mi Band 4 and Fitty. Later we'll do with the Honor Band 4. Alright, actually that's really similar. 93, 94.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
Alright, so looks like both of these are in the same ballpark. Now the heart rate sensor test with the Samsung Galaxy Fitty and Honor Band 4. Wow, that's quite similar. Okay, so as you guys have seen, the heart rate sensor is quite accurate in all three of the bands. Now what I'm gonna do is take a 500 step mini walk, and I'm actually gonna count to those 500 steps, wear all three bands, and we'll see which band is more accurate when it comes to the step counting. So I'll be back after a short walk. Alright guys, done with the 500 step walk. So the Mi Band 4 recorded 4122 steps, and before the walk there were 3630. So the Mi Band 4 recorded 492 steps. The Honor Band 4 recorded 644 steps. Before the walk there were like 141 steps. So the Honor Band 4 recorded 503 steps, really close. The Samsung Galaxy Fitty recorded 643 steps, and before the walk there were 124 steps. So the Samsung Galaxy Fit E recorded 519 steps. So they're all pretty accurate. Yeah. On 20th of July, I actually wore all these three fitness bands on my wrist during sleep, and I recorded the data, and let's see which ones seem more accurate when it comes to the sleep analysis. When it comes to the sleep analysis, we'll go to the Mi Fit app first, and it shows 8 hours and 59 minutes of sleep time. 20th July. I slept at 12:11, woke up at 9:26. When we go to the health app, it shows I slept at 11:59 and woke up at 8:40. So it looks like, and also I woke up in between for 10 minutes. Samsung Galaxy Fitty recorded 8 hours 33, which is almost 30 minutes less than the Mi Fit app. And the Honor Band 4 recorded 8 hours and 20 minutes. I slept at 12:09 and I woke up at 8:42. So there's some variation in all the three apps, but it still feels like the Fit E recorded the most accurate data. I know when I slept at 11:59. It is accurate, trust me. So yeah, alright guys, when it comes to the workout modes in all of the three bands, the Mi Band 4 has six kinds of workouts including swimming. Even the Honor Band 4 has 6, and the Mi Band 4 lacks any workout mode. There's no workout mode, but yeah, it has auto detection when it comes to exercises. You can't actually track any specific exercise or workout. You have to go to the app, and I'm not sure how accurate that is because the app is made for many bands, many variables. So yeah, now we talk about when we go to the settings and more options. The Mi Band 4 has D&D, alarm, music. The best part, I love this thing, I use it a lot. You can control your music through the band. Very beneficial for people like me. Stopwatch, timer, find my device, band display, settings, brightness. So yeah, when we go to the band display, this one actually has around 44 inbuilt watch faces. All of them look amazing, but you can download unlimited watch faces. There's a video I've made about it. It will be in the description. This one has 6 basic watch faces. Monochrome watch faces are not that fun. And the Honor Band 4 actually has 4 watch faces. 4 watch faces, yeah. And it has Find My Phone, timer, stopwatch, brightness. But when we come to the Fitty, we lack many options. There's just calendar, then this weather, calendar, that's it. That's what we get in the Fitty. It has many limited options. There's no, and even if we are talking about the notification, both of these two bands, the Honor Band 4 and Mi Band 4, show full notification, the whole message, name of the person. You can accept and reject calls, but when it comes to the Fitty, you can't accept or reject calls. It will just show you the alert. When it comes to the notification, it will just show you the logo of the notification of the app, so that's not so great. And there's no Finding My Phone, stopwatch, then there's no DND option. You can't control all that stuff from your band. And the thing that these two lack are music control, which only Mi Band 4 has. So I think this is a great fitness band. And let me know if I've left any feature or any application of the Mi Band 4, Honor Band 4 and Fitty. Now comes the verdict. When it comes to the accuracy, it seems like, yeah, Samsung has done a great job. But for 2500, actually these all cost for 2500. I bought these two from AliExpress for $35 when they were launched. This one from Flipkart for rupees 2500. So they are all of the same price. I think Mi Band 4 is not at all value for money. Yeah, this is Samsung's cheapest variable yet, but still, I would never prefer this over these two, Honor Band 4 and Mi Band 4. So Samsung Galaxy Fitty is accurate, but I still wouldn't choose this one. Even these two are quite accurate. That's why we are buying a budget fitness band. Yeah, we need accuracy, but we need even more stuff. Now let's keep this one aside. The main verdict comes between, at the end, comes between the Mi Band 4 and the Honor Band 4. So we are talking the difference. When we talk about the differences, main thing is watch faces, music control, that's it. All other features are quite similar in both of the bands. In Honor Band 4 you just have 4 watch faces, no music control, bummer for me. But when it comes to the Mi Band 4, there are thousands of watch faces. You can download it through Amaze Tools app, amazefitwatches.com, many more third-party applications. You can, if you have an Android phone, I don't have an Android phone, you can do many more stuff. You can control your Spotify, you can actually control your camera and many more features through third-party applications. So I think Mi Band 4 is the best budget fitness band when we are talking about these three. But I would still say, if you want a fitness band right now, like if you got an emergency or something, you don't have one, so definitely go for Mi Band 4. But the thing is, if you already have a great budget fitness band or any fitness band, but you wanna buy Mi Band 4, I would say don't go for any of these, because last year the Mi Band 3 was launched in July, and this was the best fitness band for a couple of months. Then the Honor Band 4 was launched, and it was a total game changer with color screen and everything, watch faces. So yeah, it was the best fitness band in the market at that time. Currently, yeah, for a couple of months I think Mi Band 4 will be the best, but I would still say wait for Honor Band 5 if you already have you already own a fitness band. And if you don't have one, then definitely no brainer, go for Mi Band 4. This is the best one currently in the market right now. So yeah, guys, I'm done. Like and share this video, and if you want to share any thoughts, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, that is Shopaholics AMPM. I'll be back with another video. See you soon. Bye.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now,